these use the same driver as a straight MUA, all of them. Just simply unscrew the heads.
That driver comes with the kit, Chris? Or,
This driver does not come with a kit.
Where does one get that driver?
I think everybody should have a multi-unit straight abutment driver, no? A hex driver, no? We can provide one of these.
you have a BIOS MUA driver?
Just straight, it's is it a square? I don't know. Is it a square? Is it a square? I think it's a hex. Yeah, it's a small hex driver. All right. So now we got the hollow models, the hollow analogs, and we'll just simply drill through the prosthetic. All right, next step is to drill the holes, do the prosthetic. And this was mistake number 14, I think. This is where, all right, thanks. You guys, just let me know if I'm doing something that's not conducive to an audience. When we drilled this, the other guy, it was the other guy, lifted up the prosthetic while he was drilling. And so all the three of the screw channels were a wrong trajectory. And that was a real problem. So we had to open up the holes and a little bit. Anyway, so be careful of that part, that the model is being held down. Here, I will drill in front of you.
Who did that, AJ?
I'm not allowed to say who it was. It was the other guy.
The other guy.
Yeah. AJ, is there somebody named AJ? It was AJ. AJ did it.
AJ.
Yeah.
No, last Saturday, or last Friday.
Okay, when you drill, what we found is it's really helpful to have a foot pedal. Because if you just have a toggle up here on the handpiece, then you're already spinning and you're trying to put it into the hole, and you'll get sparks, you'll go the wrong trajectory. So it's better to just be inserted and then start spinning.
You move it there.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Is that better? And you always want to do a little bit of pumping. And you want to make sure your drill's long enough. And actually, you should test it, right? Oh, thanks. Yep, right there. Make sure you're going to be able to reach through the prosthetic. That one maybe, we'll see. Okay. And there it is. All right, so that's a C2F hole. Very nice. All right, and the size of this hole is going to match, just about perfectly match the driver, right? The shank of the driver, it matches a little bit bigger than the screw head, and it also matches our, which I didn't mention before, these little plugs that we use for the block out. So the hole is a perfect size. It's about 2.38 millimeters. Now, when you're drilling, this gets hot when it's metal to metal. And so you just try not to do it too long and try not to do too much torque. And do a pumping action. And don't drill through your finger like AJ did.
Now theoretically, could you heat that enough that the Stella would start to move?
I don't know. I mean, I suppose if it got hot enough, but the problem with heat is it burns your fingers.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, see the prosthetic moving? So you gotta figure out how to tripod it with 2 fingers. Of course, it's not long enough. Let's see. All right, that one went through. I'm probably not showing this on the screen very well, am I? That's all right, prosthetic. Thank you for that. Hey, Vlad. How's Victor doing? What's that? It's all right? Okay, those are our holes.